Bonsoir à tous, on se retrouve donc pour la finale de l'Open ici Saint-Gilles-les-Bains, île de la Réunion, ITF 15 000 $, beach tennis. Et pour cette nouvelle interview, j'ai le grand plaisir d'accueillir à mes côtés la super joueuse, la super girl, Patricia Deas. Et comme justement elle comprend un peu le français mais elle ne le parle pas encore très bien, ça va venir. On va faire tout ça en anglais, donc vous m'excuserez pour mes fautes en anglais et ça permettra à l'international de suivre un peu tout ça. Donc je suis super heureux. Thank you Patty to come with me and to comment this match. Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure to be here. We're going to have a great final. Hello everybody. We are part of the future of beach tennis. We can see in Reunion every time we see more people, the level of the game improves. Here we have the best quality of beach tennis, and here we're happy to show it to the world.
What a nice beginning! So we're gonna wait for the announcement of the players by our national speaker Antoine Deval. We are near. So this match, yes, he's gonna call them.
Ils sont habillés de la même façon, tous les deux, t-shirt rouge, short noir. Il est d'origine italienne. Il est né dans la ville de Cesena. Il a 27 ans. Il fait 1m80 pour 72 kg. Il est droitier. C'est un ancien très bon joueur de tennis, reconverti au beach tennis en 2009. Il est très véloce. C'est un des meilleurs défenseurs au monde. Il est actuellement à la 4e place mondiale. Champion du monde en titre. Vainqueur ici avec Capellati 3 fois. Il s'appelle Luca Carli. Et son partenaire, il a exactement la même tenue avec un petit bandeau épongette dans les cheveux. Il est d'origine italienne également, de la ville de Cesena. Il a 25 ans. Il fait 1m93, pardon, le garçon, pour 80 kg. Il est droitier. Oh, j'ai du mal là. Il est droitier. C'est une star du circuit, ancien numéro 1 du beach tennis. Il est actuellement à la 3e place mondiale et donc champion du monde en titre. Il a gagné, lui, 4 fois ici. Il s'appelle Michele Capelletti. Et en face, c'est les deux numéros 1 mondiaux. Il y en a un, il a un t-shirt jaune fluo. Il est italien, il nous vient de la ville de Taranto, il a 26 ans. Il fait 1m78 pour 73 kg. C'est un joueur extrêmement complet, très puissant, très physique et extrêmement vif dans le sable. Il est donc actuellement numéro 1 mondial, finaliste au championnat du monde, mais il est quand même champion d'Europe et champion d'Italie en titre. Ils ont gagné à Aruba, ces gars-là, et lui, il s'appelle Luca Cramarossa. Et son partenaire Diel Puma sur le circuit, il est d'origine italienne, il nous vient de la Mecque du beach tennis là-bas sur Ravenne, il a 33 ans, il fait 1m80 pour 82 kg, c'est l'un des plus beaux palmarès du beach tennis, c'est le plus long numéro 1 mondial de l'histoire. Quand c'est son jour, ce garçon est injouable. Il est également finaliste au championnat du monde, il est champion d'Europe et champion d'Italie en titre. Il a gagné à Aruba, il a été finaliste ici l'année dernière avec Tommaso Giovannini. Il a été vainqueur également en 2015. Il s'appelle Marco Gravini. Voilà, les présentations sont faites. Messieurs, début de cette finale, double messieurs, de l'Open International des Brisants 2018 by BNP Paribas.
What a pleasure to be there.
Incredible. We can see how the people already recognize the players. It's an amazing experience to be here, really, to see how the people here in Reunion connect to beach tennis. It's a big pleasure. And we start.
Beginning with Luca Cramarossa to serve. And a fault.
They say the first serve is the most difficult one.
That's true. Love 15. Yes. Service to the center and Krama to finish.
I think we're gonna see some of that today, Steph.
It's beach tennis for men.
Yes. Too fast.
Second fault. Doesn't like the zone 1 for the moment. And we see many people coming to the streaming. Don't hesitate to share the stream, please, man, to have, and girls, to have more people.
Ooh, yes.
He's fast, the Puma.
Puma.
He wants to show.
Who's the boss?
Yes. Hello Adil, welcome.
30-40 it is.
30-40, 30 all. No? You said 30 all on the screen? I don't know. Ah, 2-4, 30 all. 2-4 of serve and 2 points. 30 all. He changed on side. Really soft air service.
I'm very impressed all the time seeing the guys' game. They change a lot the tactics. They are very fast in making a decision. He made 2 mistakes. He already changed sides. He tried something new. They are capable of changing. It's very, very high level we have here.
Oh, he put out. It could be easy, but it's really fast. And so the ball is out already. The first one, 40 pari, 40 all. Oh, big pressure at the beginning. Ooh, they are really fast. It was short drop battle on the center.
Yes. We can see, I feel that they start being a little bit conservative, not trying to take a lot of risks. And then that lob remained short, and Krama is just a monster. He took the opportunity. We're gonna have a great match, Steph.
So sometimes the lob is not an arm.
No. It's not a good choice sometimes.
Because we saw a lot of really good lob with the match with the women.
Yes.
Capé to serve. Ooh, it's strong. It's fast.
I think now we're gonna see some muros. They will try maybe to get close with Capé. It's very, very difficult to return his serve. We will see the strategy.
For the moment, they don't try to block, huh? Ooh la la.
Let's see what they do.
Next serve like this, and Garavini will be the nose on the net.
For sure.
And a song we hear in Aruba a lot of times. Oof. Ooh.
Perfect
really
return,
nice rally, huh?
Perfect entrance, perfection.
Great match, huh?
Good match.
Good beginning.
What's your favorite team, Steph?
Okay. They are all friends, so it's difficult to say. But I like the way of moving. Oh la la! What a fast release! It's out and 30 all. But I like the team Gara and Krama because they propose a game really fast, and we don't. Yeah, they try to change the serve. They are really good server, but they can play everywhere. So I like this game.
Yes, there's more variation between.
But Carly is incredible too, and Mickey,
solid, yes.
Mickey is fast. And
Where is he gonna serve now? 30-0.
That's okay. We can bet. I bet for the center.
You missed, Steph. Also got it.
Okay, it's a 44 Magnum.
40-30.
Oh la la.
We
So we can see on average like 4 shots by when there is serve.
Yes, this especially is going to be a very fast game. Every time you have Carli Capelletti on the court, you know that it's going to be a lot of serves and return. They're very precise, very fast. They both try to enter whoever is waiting on the net. One serves, the other enters. It's very, very fast. It's difficult to have a rally.
Garavini to serve. Oh la la, he's really strong too.
But with Gara, you see more variation too. He tries also the serve, the soft serve. He tries the lob. He's capable of doing everything. So I'm not surprised that he's gonna try to change a lot his serve. Boom.
Short drop. It was little bit difficult to shot the first one, so short drop, and after he finished by a smash. Brazilian, Brazil. Satilov. Service out.
Already Carli trying to block.
Often Carli let a big place on this forehand, but everybody knows that it's dangerous to go.
Yes, it's amazing. If we compare the size of Cap and Carli, we can notice that it's interesting how Carli covers more in the return. We can say that Miki has more reach, but Carli actually covers way more. He has an amazing return.
That's true. So, smile. Gara is smiling, waiting for, and Carli on the block.
And out.
Shame, because it was a good zone. 30-all. Second serve out.
Too fast. Second ball almost perfect. Very close to the net, the second ball.
That's true.
Very precise. And then, where is he gonna serve now?
Zone 5. The reverse to
Forehand of Cape.
Cape. Forehand. Yeah, good. Oh, leads game.
No, 40.
No, the ball is good. Was in. So it's 40-all.
40.
Second 40-all against Kramagara already. First clap in the stadium. It's a nice view, huh?
Amazing. Oh la la. Amazing return of Cape.
Yes, because Carli was hide little bit. Carli hide little bit Capelletti, and after Garavini didn't see exactly the return coming.
Yes. You know, sometimes the guys, they really have to choose a side to try to anticipate. The serve comes so fast that sometimes I think they just decide, I will open a forehand or open a backhand. There's no time. It's too fast. Very well done from Miki and Carli, very solid.
So we're gonna get some slow motion, I think.
Oh.
We were talking about this this kind of game with Nikita Biomakin this morning. Nikita has a big serve, and he was saying that maybe for the men they should put the net higher,
Yes.
like 180, and to prevent on block with a block zone, no
Yes,
block
we're
zone.
actually trying to do that. I think it's going to happen very soon. In order to have more rallies with the guys. It's getting very too fast.
Oh la la! Ah no, the ball is out. Ah no, no, he's clapping, but the ball was out. So, love 15. Really good defense from Gara and Krama.
I would say that is the team that has the most reaction.
Good serve on the center, really strong. So, yes, was maybe asking silence, but there it's really noisy.
A little difficult.
Bibi! When you can get a good return after, it's easier.
For sure, but that's a part. That's a difficult.
That's a part of the problem.
Sure. Hey, I want to say hi to Pauline Bourdet.
Yeah, come, go. Salut Pauline, bienvenue sur le streaming. N'hésite pas à partager à fond. Oh là là, encore le lob. Oh. Ah yes. The guys, they have time to play and they wait a lot.
Yes. Also, we can see that once they're able to return, they have more pressure to win that point. It's so difficult to return that once you return, you really want to win that point because you know that you're not going to have a lot of chances. 40-15.
No, she's out. 3-1 for Capet and Carli. They already won the last two times, the last two Open, Carli and Capet. They are in their place a little bit.
I think they like the place.
Yes, it's not difficult to like it.
True.
You can find worse, I think, worse place.
But better one, difficult, huh?
Yeah. And Gara last year was playing with Giovannini, he lost against them.
What I like a lot about this match especially is that we have really two teams. Gara and Kram already have some history together. They're coming from many tournaments, very solid as team. We can say the same as for Cape and Carli. They're playing for quite a long time. So it's very interesting to see two teams, two experienced teams.
Good serve.
Maintaining serving from the left, Krama. Maybe working better for him.
Was the same in semi. Yeah, good view. Was out. The ball is out. 30-15 now. what a return again. Capet has response.
He's on fire today with the returns.
The last confrontation, I believe it was like 5 months ago in Aruba. The last final they play together.
I think so too.
It's gonna be difficult to Krama because the two guys, they are really near.
But I'm surprised because normally Cape is the one that comes to block and Carly is the one that remains a little bit more behind. Maybe
they try something different for this year.
Maybe they know too much Krama and they know exactly where he likes to go sometimes.
Oh la 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 la.
What a match.
Good message. Okay, you want to go to the
Yes.
center, and so
I got you.
I choose the side.
3-2 so far. Amazing final.
And so, yes, we're gonna get some slow motion arriving. Oh yeah. And the big one, the tallest one, Capelletti, is jumping and smashing.
I would like to have that size, huh, Steph?
I don't know why you are talking about that.
Does it matter the size of this sport?
No, it doesn't matter. We saw you playing. There's no problem. You can get 160 for you? Yeah.
158, Steph.
158. Nah. And you can move everywhere and smash everywhere.
Some French questions.
Bastien qui nous demande des commentaires en créole. Mais oui, mais là, pas personne n'y comprend, mon frère. Rien que nous-mêmes créoles. Was answering for a guy. He was asking for a comment in Creole language. I say yeah, next year.
I can only say, qu'est-ce que tu fais, Noé? $15 love.
Bienvenue à tous sur le streaming et un bloc. Ah, oh là là.
And we can see now some returns trying to put more pressure instead of going for the short return. Gotta try to return fast.
Too much flashes for the moment in the stadium. It's changing too. You go on the right side. Oh la la! Was little bit lucky on this shot, on this time.
Very smart from Cape to do that change. I'm sure that Gad and Krama were waiting behind. They were waiting for a big smash and Cape change.
With his long arm.
Yes. 30-15.
So he gets sun on the eyes. He was asking a little bit time, and now he's going to block and to put his racket really near the net.
I'm guessing he's gonna open his backhand with Cape.
Oh la la! You know everything. Ooh, what a block.
Amazing return.
Maybe what the speed of the ball was incredible. Et oui, Pauline, la barre est de plus en plus haute. Toujours plus fort. You have to come to Réunion to discover the place, the nice island, and the beach. He's serving on zone 5, and the final hole.
For the moment, Minky, his returns very clean, his serve very clean. He's on fire, very solid. For the moment, really, no mistakes.
He lost his last final in Ecuador, I believe, with Kalbu.
Yes.
Oh, Krama is not happy because
he
he was on the ball, but he missed little bits, and so 4-2 for Cappelletti Carli. Cappelletti Carli lead 4-2.
In the game before, Gara had some trouble with his serve. I wouldn't be surprised if he tries to change the speed a little bit. Let's see.
Allez, change the zone. That's exactly that. Oui, apparemment Régis il a le droit là, ça va, il touche pas le filet. Boom.
Amazing serve. Very fast, very low. 30 low.
30-0.
Non.
No.
Capé is on fire. Because often they try to serve Capé because Carli is incredible, and now if
Yes, but now, for the moment on this match, he's on fire. His returns are very, very good.
oh la la, like 45, 40-15.
And they change.
And so Carli and Capé change. Block.
I'm guessing middle.
Yeah.
Yes.
You guess everything for the moment. Huh? Okay, I don't want to bet with you.
4-3.
Yeah, well, welcome everybody. Don't hesitate to share the stream, please. To get more and more view. We got a lot of view now.
200.
Keep on, keep on.
Oh la la. Look that serve from Gara. We can see the slow motion.
The Puma. I was missing this lob, I believe. Yep.
Yes.
And yeah, it sounds like Aruba, this song. I remember some
yes.
special time, this place.
That's the song of Aruba, for sure.
And so the sponsor.
Carli serving. 4-3 up.
So he says stops. Wait, there's too much people, it's too noisy. Beam. Oh la la la. Oh la 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 la. Wow,
It's a circus.
we are drinking milk, you know, in French we say.
Very good quality.
What a touch.
Good return. Good rally.
And a lot of reverse with lot of effects from,
Yes, from
Krama.
Krama. A lot of no looks.
You cannot do it now. Up, 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 up.
Very good serve, you see.
On the body.
Gara had to go low. The serve really goes low. very good from Carly.
It means that Carly changed a little bit his serve. Before he was just waiting. Oh, it's really strong. Huh? But before it was, don't know how to say in English, with no
Flat.
effect.
Yes, flat.
Flat.
Now he's making it go down more. No? He's trying to put a little bit more spin. And he's not a tall player compared to the others. He's very, very fast with his legs, very precise.
Oh.
First mistake.
First mistake for them.
30
and for Carly. 30 all.
Interesting situation. 30 all.
And Krama is moving. The step. Yeah, he led the ball and the ball was in, touching the line, I believe. And so it's 40-30, 2 balls to go to 5-3.
What's your guess, Steph?
Middle. BB. They try to lob Krama. Huh?
He's too fast.
But
he was a good try, but he was there, patient, came back, and then.
And this match really low, and after it's good for Gara.
He's very good at changing rhythm with his volleys, with his match. Very, very good.
Oh no! We were making compliments.
Even the best can make mistakes.
Yeah, that's true. No, that's true.
No,
I was just disappointed because I wanted a 4-4. And now it's 3-5 because after, even if he wins his serve, there's capability to serve after.
Yes, he knows that. He's not happy.
And so a local famous song, really famous song. We hear the guys, the name is Daniel Waro. Talk the story of our island. He's really famous here. Bim. Yes.
We better take the one that is on the floor, no?
Yes. And Gara said thank you to serve on my body, on my leg, to smash on my leg. That's nice. Love 15.
Oh.
Yes, was really difficult.
Yes, very low. He should have tried with his backhand, but he's very fast to the side. Very difficult.
Love 30. Be careful, guys. And Carly Capet, they feel the smell of the blood. He tries, because last match at 40 all, 5-4 on the second set, he made an ace on this place. And he tries 3 times on this game, in this match, and for the moment he didn't succeed in.
Yeah, but normally Krama is a very constant player. I see that he's a little bit out in some points. Maybe he wants to win too much. Can feel too much attention.
Yes, because
it's not easy.
Again, 3-set ball for Carly Capelletti.
15-4. Fred, where are you?
And the first set for Carly Capelletti.
What do you think was the difference, made the difference on the first set, Steph? What are your comments?
I feel maybe Krama is,
bit down.
is less in the match than the other ones. And I met he miss a really important point at 40 all.
Yes, I agree. I think also Cape, everything worked for him. Everything, returns, smashes, serves. Let's see, it's not easy to do it, but it's even more difficult to maintain it. Let's see if we see the same quality of game from Cape in the second set.
Moreover, they are not in really confidence because they lost the first tournament of the year in January in Monopoly. They lost at the first round against Marighella and Casadei. And after in Ecuador, they lost in semi against Stuto and Giovannini.
Yes.
So maybe the way is, yes, I changed shirt because you know that often players, they lost the set and they say, okay, I change the
I'm
shirt.
one of them sometimes.
I never put this one just for training.
I cannot say anything because I do that sometimes. The one that I used here, I'm not going to use anymore.
Okay. First fault. Okay.
Ay, ay, ay. We see. Let's see what we have from Cape on this set. Let's see if he maintains or if he shakes a little bit.
Boom. Oh la la,
perfect return. I'm sure it was the shirt, Steph. The shirt made the return.
Okay, the yellow one is better. Merci Fred pour les compliments. Bienvenue à tous, n'hésitez pas à partager sur vos pages. Salut Ludo, salut Nico de la Guadeloupe. Ah ouais, quand même 15-30. The serve is really arrive on the legs.
Yes. Amazing. His size is easier a little bit to put it down.
Yes, that's true. That's easier for
Just
him.
a little bit.
Oh yeah! Oh la la, she's out. Oh la 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 la.
And Gara didn't like that
I hope
a
we're
lot.
gonna see that in slow motion because this defense was incredible. If it was in the stadium, the stadium was would have
gonna
been
fall.
in fire.
Would have fallen.
Would have fallen.
30-0.
Ooh. And 30-40.
We saw some fast movements from Gara and Krama. Gara staying a little bit closer to the net, then Krama covering. Amazing. That's teamwork.
So,
30-40.
would you bet for the zone?
I'm guessing Gara's gonna open his backhand now. I don't think Cap is gonna serve on his forehand again.
Oh. What a punch.
Bam. No. On the game, we saw in the first set an amazing return from Gara with the forehand. So I don't think he's gonna come there again. Either backhand of Gara or Krama. It's my guess.
Really important point.
Oui.
Bibi, allez là, Gara!
Amazing.
Bravissimo! And first break at the beginning of the second set. Wow.
What a match.
Yes.
Marco Garani, Luca Cramarossa face à Michele Capelletti
And Capellas, wow.
et Luca Carli.
So look, this slow motion, incredible.
Allez, sur ce très beau match.
Bilanciere, how do you say in English? I don't know the word for the bilanciere.
Windmill. Windmill.
Thank
But
you.
we could see a very slow windmill. Very good to put the ball down. Amazing.
And the incredible defense. Wow. Unfortunately, it was out, but it was really quiet.
Nationalités également ici sur le site de la Réunion.
Amazing slow motion.
350 joueurs ici, je vous le rappelle.
There you go, Steph. I told you, Cape was making the difference on the first set. Very solid now. He got a break on the first game. Let's see what happens here.
Allez, juste derrière celle-ci.
Voilà. Sometimes you wonder. It's another spade. And I remember the words of Carbucci. He said one time, he said to me, you know, there is different speed between players, you know, and here it's fastest.
Yes. This is as fast as you can get, I think, for the moment.
Oh la la, et Cape, it's more difficult for him.
If he can miss a smash, then I can miss a smash, huh, Steph?
Really?
I will not feel bad the next time.
But in the first set it was in, sure.
For sure.
And now he lost his first serve, so they begin to come into his head.
Yes, a mental game.
What defense? Bébé! Ah yes, they begin to talk together.
I would say that the defense of Krama and Calvo are the best in the world, at least my favorites. The reactions of Krama are just amazing. He's too fast.
40 love. Ah no.
No, I'm trying from the middle now.
And Krama said, let the ball. I was behind you. And he said, excuse me. Yeah, that's true.
They're too fast sometimes. Who take the ball? They arrive both very fast. Difficult.
No, it's out. And 2-0 on the second set.
2-0 dans ce deuxième set.
So I think there is like people say, okay, we're gonna have a really good match. And it's totally crowded. We have like maybe 1,000 people around.
Let's ask the people, how is the live streaming? How is the quality?
Alors, est-ce que vous recevez une bonne qualité de streaming? On aimerait savoir un peu comment ça se passe pour vous. Il n'y a pas de plainte, hein, donc ça devrait être pas mal normalement. Mais enfin de plainte, en tout cas de remarques à ce sujet. Et on voit qu'il y a de plus en plus de vues. Share the stream. Salut Benjamin. Oh, ah, she's out.
No.
Little bit lucky.
C'est dommage, il a eu un beau réflexe là, derrière ce filet. Luca Cramarossa, elle est derrière celle-ci. 30-0.
Solid off.
Il s'en veut, hein, il s'en veut.
$30-15. Ah, the match is different, huh?
It changed. The momentum changed.
That was we like beach tennis because it can change really fast.
It's a sport that gives you opportunities to make mistakes. You make mistakes, you can still win. You can come back. So that's the key. Stay positive, stay in the present. We can see how Krama mentally made something. He just changed his shirt and now we see a different attitude. It works.
It was good serve.
Côté Luca Carli,
2-1.
deux jeux à 1 pour la tête de série numéro 1.
Krama Angara leads 2-1.
Luca Cramarossa, Marco Garavini face à Luca Carli et Michele
Perfect.
Cappelletti.
And people say it's really good quality. That's nice. We are happy.
Notamment à ceux qui nous ont arrosé tout le week-end.
Thank you for compliments, Sébastien.
et volcaniques qui ont donné de l'eau plate et de l'eau pétillante.
Paolo.
Ah, Yankel is saying too
Oi.
that in Tahiti can see. Hello, Yankel. Kisses from Réunion.
Et les hôtels du groupe Excel.
A lot of comments, a lot of people now on the view. Don't hesitate to share the stream. So
Gotta
yeah,
serve
because
it.
always in French I begin my sentence like alors. So then
Il a à suivre au service
then
pour tenter de confirmer le
Gara to serve.
I haven't seen a lot of variation from Gata serve. He's serving for the moment very strong. Let's see if he maintains the speed. 2-1 up.
I don't understand what's happened. Oof. That's why to go to the forehand to Carly is dangerous. So they are talking together and say, okay, what we're gonna do? Love 15.
And yes,
Center.
a lot of aces today with the middle.
And I saw Gara talking alone and maybe saying that the zone because
Yes.
many aces in this place. A lot of concentration, position of the steps.
15-0. And yes.
Oh, it was maybe out. Ay, 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 beep, beep.
Very good from
Yes, make
Cape.
a real love
Making a
drama.
step, not waiting, always going, stealing the time. Very good. Well done from Cape. Hola Andy, saludos.
des bénévoles pour aller chercher des flux. Avec Alex, s'il te plaît, le gusto des bénévoles.
Yes, always French accent, Pierre. Normal. I'm French, I believe. American accent next year. And
And
ace
yes,
again.
30. Oh, now I'm betting a change from Gara. Soft serve. A big risk I'm taking.
You want the soft serve, huh?
Let's see. Let's see.
Yes.
No.
Oh la
was
la
not so
la la
soft.
la 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 la.
Amazing smash from
What a
Carly.
smash.
Amazing return from Cape. He's really on fire with the returns today.
No hesitation.
No.
It's 40-30. Ah no, it's 30-40, excuse me. It's a
Big opportunity from Cape Carly. Let's see how the Puma handles the pressure.
and Krama is hungry. He's hungry, saying, oh. Grazie Mauri,
Un bacione,
cuore.
Mauri.
un grande ciao per te, un abbraccio Maurizio.
And Forio.
The famous, so much famous.
Golden point.
And shaking hands. And that's funny because now when we have tournaments of kids, they are talking like this with the rackets. Ah, she's out.
Ay, ay, ay. Again, Krama
Lot of pressure.
Yes.
Yeah, he's disappointed because it seems easy, but need to be really fast to prevent on the defense.
I think it was more mental. He's fast enough. He hesitated 1 second. He's been hesitating the whole match. I think he's not his best day.
And look this big jump of Capet.
Yes.
And after you are like oof.
I would run.
Be careful. Be careful. Bonjour les Canadiens, bonjour les Québécois de Montréal.
The pressure now. He was broken the previous game. He served. Now he's 15 love up. Let's see what happens here. And yes,
Krama seems like nervous.
they keep trying serving on Krama today more than Gara.
$35, as we say in the US. What time is it in the US? You still living in the US now?
Yes, 8 hours difference.
AM? 8 AM? Oh no, 8, okay, 8 hours
time.
difference, okay. So, something like this.
And yes, continuing on Krama. Let's see if he changes the shirt one more time.
Excellent. La camisa de Gara es la mejor.
Viva Puerto Rico!
And the LEDs. Ah, yes, the LEDs.
And now everything changed, Steph. 3-2 Carle Cape coming from down. They were 2-1 down, and now they're 3-2 up.
And we see, we are seeing Carly and Cape really calm and quiet. And Krama on the other side, you don't see him, but he's nervous and he's talking fast. We don't know exactly what he's saying, but we suppose that he doesn't understand what he missed some shots.
It's normal. There's pressure. They're humans. They make mistakes. I'm sure he's good enough to come back strong here on the next games.
It could be nice to send the Ola in the stadium.
What do you say? They go to a third set?
Don't feel like this.
And he kept the yellow shirt.
Would like maybe a green one or another one. I don't know.
Interesting moment now, Steph. Krama just made a lot of mistakes on the game before. Now let's see how he handles the pressure on this game. Now he serves from the right. Krama also to serve.
He's coming back to the right side. Oh oui. No. Yes.
And yes.
He jumped really high, and it's difficult to smash with the black sky. Huh?
Yes.
15-0. C'est bien les Bion, celle-ci. Il a bien fait de la jouer Luca Carli parce qu'elle était dans le terrain, celle-ci.
15 love.
They're all Italian, Pierre. The 4 players on the court. Gracias, Andy, seguro. Será un placer.
International comments in español. Forse in italiano anche? Facile per te, no?
Possiamo fare?
Sì, è possibile di fare per me anche.
Certo.
BBB!
Boom! Got her. Again.
The Puma! 30 love.
This is a team sport, Steph. We can see Kram a little bit down. Gara maintaining himself. I'm sure that this will help Krama to come back to the game. 30 love.
Yeah, he's on fire.
40 love.
Sometimes you get problem with the back and it looks like he touched the back. But often when you lose, when it's difficult, you get injury, no?
I mean, he has to make a big effort in order to smash. He has big jumps. Perfect love from Gara. Amazing touch. He's trying a lot that to send Carly back. Very well done.
3 game all.
3 game all. Ciao, Gasto!
Yes, Adil. Gara is still huge guy.
Yes, Gara is not making footfall from the smashes. Adil.
Clapping for Patty on the
Ciao,
comments.
Lu. No.
Shame, because good return.
He was coming back running, so I think too much.
But the fact when you are on the block, on the second shot, when there is a lob, it's difficult, huh?
Very difficult.
Ah, yes.
Yes.
He cover his reverse.
30 love.
Wonderful.
Carly, very solid with both serves.
Wonderful shot. They're still serving a Krama. Okay, and so they change it.
They change.
They
Gara
change.
again comes to the block.
You know that he can lob.
No.
Yes. that's Gara.
That's luck? What do you say? No.
35, 30-15. Salut Alizé de Guadeloupe. Bise à toi.
Oi, Flavinha.
Salut Jeff. Don't hesitate to share the stream. It's coming to be really great now.
I'm guessing a 1, Steph.
Yeah, he changed on side. He's on the right side now.
Yes.
Yes. And she's good. Oh no, she's out. No, she was really near the line, but it's out and it's 40-15. 3 games to lead 4-3.
Very difficult to get that in, Steph. He was very behind. He moved very fast.
Oh là là! Ooh! I think people love this game.
We're seeing some nice rallies, Steph. Very nice final. The champions of the girls were Flaminia Dyna and Sofia Cimati. Meli.
40-30. Ah, yes. Really good serve.
4-3, Carly Cape.
Because they take a lot of risk during this game, Krama and Gara.
Yes, they were leaving the 5 completely open. It's interesting to see that from outside. You can say it's easy to serve 5, but no, it's not easy at all.
And more that because the rules now are you can block and you can move. You can make what you want finally, huh?
Yes.
With the new rules.
It will change very soon, but for the moment, yes. The blocks from the guys are very efficient. They try to do it a lot.
And what do you think about the no block zone?
I think it will be great for the sport. I think we like that we would have more rallies.
But when there is a cape on serve.
Yes, everybody. I mean, it would change completely the men's game. No having blocks and having the net maybe a little bit higher. I think this would make the sport even more beautiful.
Now, Gara
serving,
and now it's be careful because it's 4-3 to Cape, so he has to win absolutely this game.
Yes. And he starts with an out.
That's shame because the guys was on the other side.
No, but it's not the only mistake he makes from the 5. Today, I think he's not liking that shot a lot.
La 15. Whoa.
I think today his serve is the middle. I'm betting he's gonna go there now.
No, it's correct. Gara.
It's just Gara.
I miss.
It's just Gara.
I begin again.
These the big ones only can do. Very strong mentally. I can do that 5.
Great commentary, Patty. Salut mon bro, salut mon frérot qui est sur la ligne, salut Mika, des bisous, des gros bisous à toi, à la famille, je t'embrasse fort. Yes, he's too tall. Because most of the player they can smash this ball. Oui, c'est Patty Diaz au commentaire avec moi, William, tout à fait.
And out. Aye, 15-40.
15-40.
We feel the pressure. We feel the pressure, Steph.
Say in French. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Oh là là.
Oh là là, oh là là.
Come on, Gara. Die, Gara. We want more beach tennis.
He's trying from the right now.
Sur ce cours central BNP Paribas. Alors donnez-moi plus de bruit que ça.
Bisous, frère. It change on side. So, center.
Mm. And break.
And break. Cape Carly got the break and they are leading 5-3. And moreover, the guy who's gonna serve,
he's on fire today, Miki Cape.
So
what do you think? Who's gonna keep it? Gara trying the block.
They're gonna serve Krama again.
And they change side.
Why do they change?
They change side. And yes. You know, I think Krama today, he's trying a lot of shorts. I haven't seen him making a lot of lobs. They're just anticipating and going forward. Maybe Gara is a little bit unhappy about this. Maybe you could see the discussion they're having. Maybe he's making his game too slow. Yes. Not easy at all, huh? But they're anticipating very well the shots of Krama.
Unlucky there, I'm over because it was really near.
Amazing return. Unlucky.
Sarilov. Sarilov. Wow.
Et les 4000 personnes qui nous regardent sur le live streaming, faites-moi monter l'ambiance ici, allez!
Wow.
Great touch. Ah yes.
40 love.
Unlucky again.
I see some frustration from Kramer.
40 love. 3 match ball for Carly Capelletti. 3 match ball in the racket of Capelletti. We want more beach tennis. Come on, guys.
And the people are reunion.
Everybody's clapping. Listen the noise. Strong arm. 45, 40-50. It's totally crowded. Totally noisy.
Victoire de Luca Carli et Michele Capelletti. Et on peut les applaudir, les deux numéros 1.
Lot of compliments for these guys, for Carli and Capel. They made a fantastic match.
They deserve to win. They deserve the victory.
They deserve it.
They deserve it 100%. Very clean with the serves, returns. I'm very impressed by Capel's game today.
During 2 games at the beginning of the second set, we believe that maybe it could be, we could see a change. And finally, no, they came back stronger.
Yes, they stayed solid. In the beginning, Kramer, when he served, he came with a different attitude. But I think he never, he could never return the way he wanted to return. It was not his day on his returns.
But
his shots were maybe too slow. At some moments, they were anticipating him. Maybe, I don't think he's very happy now.
The only thing is, last year, Gara lost in final, so he doesn't lose points.
Gara doesn't lose points. Yes.
And Kramer lost last year in semi.
Yes.
So for the ranking, it's not a big difference. And so people is coming, all the children ask to Kramer especially interview de Capelletti en français.
Oui, c'est vrai, c'est vraiment mon jardin ici. C'est le tournoi que j'ai gagné plus fois, donc je suis vraiment content. Pour moi, Lucas, c'est une période vraiment très positive parce que nous avons gagné il y a un mois le championnat d'Italie et nous avons confirmé le titre ici encore. Et donc, c'était vraiment incroyable. Je veux faire les félicitations à Kramer et Gara. Ils ont plus ou moins toujours gagné contre nous l'année passée. Nous avons gagné seulement les championnats du monde, mais toutes les autres fois, ils ont gagné. Donc, cette fois, finalement, nous avons pris notre revanche, comme tu dis. Ouais. Et donc, vraiment, merci. Merci à tout le public, parce que pour moi, les réunions, c'est vraiment comme une deuxième maison. Ici, tout le monde est incroyable. Donc, vraiment, merci beaucoup. Je vais rester ici encore pour 2 semaines. Donc, ce sera un plaisir de voir encore tout le monde ici. Merci. Merci à tout le monde.
Merci, on peut l'applaudir. Quel Français en tout cas, Michele Capelletti.
Merci, Capé.
5e fois qu'il est titré ici, le garçon. 5e fois. Allez, je vais embêter Luca parce que je sais qu'il n'aime pas parler au micro. Luca Carli. Je vais tenter en anglais, in English or in Italian? In Italien. Même en anglais, il ne veut pas.
Carli,
allez, du coup, j'ai ma traductrice officielle, Ludivine Baudard. On est en direct là, sur le streaming, on va aller un petit peu au milieu. Pour nos amis, je sais pas il y a combien de personnes qui nous regardent, mais ça se compte en milliers hein, là-bas sur le live streaming. Donc c'est beau. Il y avait tous les compatriotes qui regardaient cette belle finale, parce qu'ils le savent. Hein. Ça doit être toujours serré. Là, c'est tombé de leur côté. Ça fait 4 fois qu'ils gagnent ici. Donc je disais à Michele que c'était devenu quasiment son jardin. T'as un morceau de ce jardin aussi hein, ici, Luca Carli.
Sì, diciamo che Un saluto a tutti innanzitutto, però volevo salutare i miei amici dall'Italia e sì, è veramente il nostro giardino perché è la quarta vittoria che facciamo in questo meraviglioso centrale, è sempre emozionante, sembra sempre la prima volta, è davvero emozionante. Ecco.
Sempre la prima volta.
Effectivement,
Sì.
à force, c'est devenu notre jardin et on dit bonjour à tous les compatriotes et tous les gens qui nous regardent. Et effectivement, c'est la 4e fois et on est super content parce qu'à chaque fois, c'est comme la première.
You want to say something else?
Sorry? Direi che ci vediamo il prossimo anno. Ecco. See you next year. Bye bye.
Ça, je vais arriver à traduire. Il nous dit à l'année prochaine. À l'année prochaine, bye bye. On peut l'applaudir également. Luca Carli, ça fait 4 fois qu'il gagne ici. Merci Ludivine pour cette belle traduction.
Quelques mots. Je pense qu'ils vont essayer d'aller faire un commentaire. Et alors, all the girls are in love with Krama. I don't know why, but all the young girls. Look, there is like bees around Krama with photos and photos.
Wow. Now I want to use also this moment, Steph, to say a big thanks to the organization and a big félicitations.
Marco, on est en direct sur Internet, tout le monde nous voit partout dans le monde et il y a des compatriotes à toi, italiens, qui nous regardent. Marco, on a plaisir à te voir venir, surtout les femmes d'ailleurs, du public. Malheureusement, tu n'as gagné qu'une seule fois ici, c'était en 2015. Est-ce que tu vas continuer à venir ici à l'île de la Réunion parce que c'est quand même un des plus beaux tournois au monde, ce tournoi de beach tennis?
Grazie Paolo.
Beh, è sempre un piacere venire alle Réunion, è una bellissima isola, il pubblico è sempre molto carino e gentile con me, ma in generale con tutti i ragazzi e sicuramente tornerò. Mi dispiace, è 2 anni che perdo in finale, un po' mi scoccia. Però fa parte del gioco, bravi a K e Carli che hanno fatto una grande partita.
Gara sempre umile.
Oui, effectivement, mais je pense que le public est pour tous les 4. Et que oui, bien sûr, je suis content d'être là, mais et je pense que même si je perds, et ça fait un petit peu mal depuis 2 ans de perdre en finale, je reviendrai et j'espère l'année prochaine gagner.
Merci, merci à Marco Garavini qu'on a toujours plaisir à voir ici. I love this guy, he's a very good guy, Marco Garavini. Et Luca,
et voilà, et oui, déjà une pointe au cœur. Maybe we are already a little bit sad because it's finished. The tournament is not really finished because we hope tomorrow we will not have rain. And Krama.
Luca Kramaros, t'as déjà gagné ici? Si, bon là, avec Marco Garavini, vous êtes considéré comme une des meilleures équipes au monde. Là, Michele Capelletti, Luca Carli, c'est la 5e fois que gagne Michele Capelletti, 4 fois avec Luca Carli. Ils aiment venir ici, ils aiment ce tournoi, c'était dur de les jouer ce soir.
Loro, they play today very, very good. I'm not too happy for my beach tennis. I think today I not play very good. But I want to congratulate first with organization because this tournament is always amazing for me, one of the best in the world. And congrats for my opponents, Luca and Michele. They play very, very good. And I hope next year to come back and to win.
Allez, il nous a dit, je vais traduire parce qu'il nous a fait l'effort de parler en anglais. Il nous a dit qu'effectivement aujourd'hui malheureusement il n'était pas très content de son jeu, mais effectivement c'était très fort en face. Ils ont fait un super match, Michele Capelletti et Luca Carli. Que voilà, et forcément il a la déception de ne pas avoir gagné cette année, mais qu'il espère bien revenir l'année prochaine pour gagner et tenter de gagner ici ce titre, qu'il applaudit, qu'il trouve le public et l'ambiance ici à l'île de la Réunion incroyable et qu'il adore ce tournoi et qu'il trouve que c'est un des plus beaux tournois au monde et qu'il compte toujours venir ici chaque année. Luca, last question. On va peut-être le faire en italien, ce sera plus pratique. Est-ce qu'il est célibataire et est-ce que les belles réunionnaises qui tournent autour de lui, qui gravitent parce qu'il y en a, qui attendent que ça d'ailleurs.
Ok. So, a little bit.
Bon, ça veut dire qu'il y a moyen, ça. Je vais pas trop dire, mais ça veut dire qu'il y a moyen, donc je laisse les femmes se débrouiller. En tout cas, merci Luca Cramarossa de ta venue ici sur le sable de la plage des Brisants à Saint-Gilles-les-Bains. Et c'est fini hein, pour les tournois principaux. C'était ce soir les grandes finales de cet événement, de cet Open international des Brisants 2018 by BNP Paribas. Le programme quand même un petit peu décalé qui va continuer demain avec une autre grande finale. Je vous invite à la suivre, la finale de double mixte. Voilà, c'est fini pour ce soir. Place à la remise des prix.
Last few words.
Yes, I want to say also, I want to congratulate all the organization. We can see this is the future of beach tennis. We see every year an amazing tournament. Every time more people, better quality. The game becomes better. I'm very happy to be part of this amazing sport. I'm very happy to have shared my comments with you guys. Thank you, Steph, for your company.
Thank you
for
so
the invitation.
much, Patty. It was a great pleasure to comment with you tonight.
I hope we do it again.
Yeah, I hope
Congrats,
so.
everybody.
I hope so. Thank you very much. Ah voilà, c'était donc des commentaires en streaming. Je vous remercie. Pour moi, c'était un super plaisir de commenter ces finales. On verra demain, si le temps le permet, ce que ça nous donnera. Mais merci à tous, un super plaisir d'avoir commenté. Plein d'émotions. Merci à tous les commentaires, tous les gens qui nous ont posté des messages d'encouragement, de soutien. On est vraiment contents. On espère que vous ferez le voyage pour venir voir notre île. C'est une île magnifique. C'est une île qui kiffe le beach. Donc vive le beach tennis, vive la Réunion. Merci à iProd Productions pour ce super boulot. On se retrouve tout bientôt. Bisous, bisous.